Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sanam Tutor. Students, today in this session we discuss only worksheet of chapter Circle Class 6 Mathematics DAV Public School Cuttack. This session is important for your periodic test 2, also important for your annual examination. I already cover all the concept related circle. If you not see the session, then you can see by click on I button or go to the playlist. Okay, so let us start the session. Here we only focus on the worksheet, how to solve. So we already know the introduction of the circle, radius, diameter and the relation between radius and the diameter. So now directly come to the worksheet 1. First question. Name 3 objects that can be used to draw the circle. Okay, that is the circular object. Tell me the circular object. First one is bangles. Okay, and the second one is coin. Okay, and third one is we can draw bottle opener, bottle cap. Okay, in the given figure name the center and all the radii. Radii means plural of radius. Okay, so tell me the center. So write down center is C and the radii are, first one is CA, or you can write down AC, then CD, then you can write CB. Okay, so there are 3 radii are there. Understand? So next, coming to the next question, that is question number 3. Name all the radii, diameter and the chord in the circle. Okay, so first write down radii means PO, or you can write OP, OQ, OS and OR. These are the radii. Okay, and next diameter. Diameter means PR and SQ are the 2 diameter, means there are 2 diameters are there. Okay, this is radii and this is diameter. So now write down the chord. Here is chord is PQ, comma QR, comma SR, comma PS. So there are 4 chord in the circle. Also you can write diameter also a chord, but only write the chord. Understand? Now next question. Draw the following in the circle. Okay, first we draw the radius OX. Okay, radius means center to circle. So first draw OX. Okay, now AB. Okay, now diameter AB. This is A and B. A and B. Now draw chord, that is A and C. A and C. Okay, you should draw by using scale and pencil. So next, question number 5. In the given circle, MN and XY, MN and XY are chord CHORDS. Now XN and MY, XN and MY are diameter. Yes or no? Now OX and OM, OX and OM, that is radius, or we can write down radii. Okay, now find the diameter of the circle whose radius is given. Okay, the first one is answer A. Write down radius equal to, find the radius equal to 4 centimeter. Now write down diameter equal to 2 into R. First write down the formula. Now put the value, that is 2 into 4, that is 8 centimeter. Similarly, B number, R equal to how much? Now 3.1 centimeter. Now diameter equal to 2R, that is 2 into 3.1, that is 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 6.2 centimeter. Similarly, find out C number. Diameter equal to 2 into R, that is 2 into 4.6. So multiply 2 6 that 12, carry 1 9, 9.2 centimeter. Similarly, bit number 4, that is D. Diameter equal to 2 into 5.4. So now multiply 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, that is 10.8 centimeter. Similarly, E number. Diameter equal to 2 into 21, that is 42 centimeter. Understand? Coming to the next question. Diameter of the some circle are given below. Find the radius. So how to solve? Now write down a number. Here is diameter is given. Means diameter equal to 8 centimeter. We should find the radius. Radius formula is diameter by 2. Now put the value, that is 8 by 2 equal to 4 centimeter. Similarly, we can draw 7 centimeter. So R equal to 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 equal to 3.5 centimeter. So C number is radius equal to 3.2 centimeter. And D number is radius equal to this divided by 2. So 2 5 ja 10, 2 7 ja centimeter. Now E number is R equal to 26 by 2, that is 13 centimeter. Understand? Next question. Name the center. So center is O. How many radii are there? O, B, 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 radii are there. Name any one diameter. Then B and E. B and E. Or you can write A and C. Name all the chord. So how many chords are there? Now first one is AB and BD, then DE. Okay. Complete. Next, name a semicircle. Semicircle means first we write down a diameter. Suppose write down diameter is AC. Simply also write a middle letter, that is B. So ABC is a semicircle. Also you can write AEC, or you can write BAE or BCE, anyone. Okay. Next, write true and false for the following questions. Diameter of the circle is twice the radius. Yes, true, because diameter equal to 2R. The line segment joining any 2 points on the circle is called the diameter. No, it is called chord. So false. All the radii of the circle are equal in length. Yes, true. And we can draw only 2 diameter of the circle. No, false. We can draw many, by infinite. Each circle can have only 2 semicircles. Yes, true. How? Now, suppose this is a circle, then we draw one semicircle. Sorry, we draw a line or diameter. This convert into 2 semicircles. This is one semicircle. This is second semicircle. Means a circle have only 2 semicircles. Okay. Next, construction of the circle. We already explained this concept. How to draw? Now first we take 5 centimeter. Okay. Now circle it. Then this point, suppose O, and join this OA. This is 5 centimeter. Okay. Now second one is 4.5 centimeter. Similarly, 4.5 centimeter circle. This is 4.5 centimeter OB. Next one is 3 centimeter, 3.6 centimeter. So draw again 3.6 centimeter OP. Again the radius is 6.2 centimeter. So write down 6.2 centimeter. Okay, this is P and R. Now draw the circle whose diameter is given. Diameter given means first we find the radius. Okay, first one is 6. Okay, so first write down here diameter equal to 6 centimeter. Now find out radius equal to 6 by 2, that is 3 centimeter. Now circle a 3 by taking radius 3 centimeter. Okay, so this is 3 centimeter. Okay, now draw a diameter. Suppose this is AB, diameter is 6 centimeter. The question is, and measure the radius. Also draw one radius and each and measure it. Okay, first measure kariba. How to measure? Now draw first any radius. This is O and P, so measure it. So now therefore OP equal to 3 centimeter. Similarly, you can draw it. The second one is 8. So first find the radius, that is 4. Yes or no? Because radius equal to d by 2, that is 8 by 2, that is 4 centimeter. Now circle it 4 centimeter. Now draw a diameter. This is CD. Now again draw a radius, that is OQ. Now measure it. So now therefore OQ equal to 4 centimeter. Similarly you can draw it. Yes or no? Now coming to the next questions. Draw the circle of the radius 4 centimeter. Draw it longest chord and measure it. Okay. First we draw it and draw longest chord means we draw the diameter. So draw one diameter and measure it. Simply measure. So therefore AB equal to how much? 4 means 8 centimeter. That is 8 centimeter. Okay. Next one. Brain teaser. Take the correct answer. The plane figure. So first tell me what is plane figure. Now plane figure means the figure which have only length and breadth. Okay, length and breadth, that is circle, rectangle, square. Okay, these are called plane figures. Then what is solid figure? Solid figure means cube, cuboid, cone. Okay, which not made of any line segment is called circle. If line segment, this is square, either triangle or rectangle. Yes or no? Now, number of the diameter that can be drawn in a circle, many. So option number third I. In the given figure, X is the center of the circle, okay, and X, Y, Z is dash. It is isosceles because this is R and this is R. R are equal. We know that all radius are equal. So if the triangle whose two sides are equal is called isosceles triangle. If the all sides are equal, this is called equilateral triangle. But here is isosceles triangle. Understand? Next question. In the given figure, if the radius of the inner circle is 2 centimeter, okay, means this is 2 centimeter and the diameter of the outer circle. So diameter of the outer circle means first tell me inner circle diameter is 4 centimeter, yes or no? And the inner diameter of the circle is outer radius of the circle, yes or no? Now the outer diameter equal to 4 into 4, 4 plus 4, that is 8 centimeter. So answer is 8 centimeter. Understand? Means this one is 2, means this also 2 because radius are equal. 2 to 4 means big radius is 4. So diameter how much? 8 centimeter. Next question. In the given figure below, O is the center of the circle, then PQ and RS are always equal. Okay, PQ and RS are always equal. No, PQ RS are never equal. PQ and RS may or may not be equal. PQ is greater than RS. Option number third is the correct answer. Okay, means PQ and RS may or may not be equal. Next question, B number. Answer the following question. If the length of the chord passing through the center of the circle is 10 centimeter, what is the radius of the circle? Means chord is passing through the center means diameter is given. So write down diameter of the circle equal to 10 centimeter. Now radius, we know that radius equal to diameter by 2, that is 10 by 2, that is 5 centimeter. So answer, therefore radius equal to 5 centimeter. You always write the therefore, okay, because therefore mark is 0.5. Next, what will be the width of the following circular race track? The inner diameter is equal to 10 centimeter. Means we can write inner diameter equal to how much? 10 centimeter. We can find the inner radius. Inner radius equal to 10 by 2, that is 5 centimeter. Means from this to this is 5 centimeter. Yes or no? Now again write down outer diameter equal to how much? 14 centimeter. We can find outer radius how much? Now outer radius equal to 14 by 2, that is 7 centimeter. Means from this to this is 7 centimeter. Now find the width. Then what is width? Now width equal to outer radius minus inner radius, that is 7 minus 5, that is 2 centimeter. Okay. Next, if the two circle of the center O and C with the radii 2, okay, the small one is radii is 2 and the bigger one is 3. So externally, what is the distance between the center? Simply 2 plus 3, that is 5 centimeter. Means OC equal to 2 plus 3, that is 5 centimeter. Next question. In the following figure, O is the center of the circle with OP equal to 4 centimeter, and find the QR. QR means one radius is given, QR is the diameter means, so write down QR equal to 2 into OP, that is 2 into 4 equal to 8 centimeter. Now in the following figure, name the line segment that equal length means radius, write the only the radius, means we can write OA, OB and OC because radius are equal. Next, construct the circle of any radius. Okay, first circle. Now draw the following. First center means first we write the center, that is O. Diameter AB, so draw a diameter and name it AB, and diameter must be passes through the center. Radius OX, so draw a radius, that is OX, and a chord AY. Okay, so draw chord AY, and a arc XYZ, XYZ, this one is Z. Okay. Next, draw the circle of the radius 4.2. 4.2 means first we circle by taking radius 4.2. This is 4.2 centimeter O1P. Now draw the diameter of the measure. First we draw a diameter, suppose AB. So now write down, therefore diameter equal to how much? Now 4.2 plus 4.2 or simply measure by using scale. So 8.4 centimeter. Answer. Next question, draw the line segment. Oh, it is important. How to solve? Now first we draw the line segment PQ. P and is Q. This is 7 centimeter. Now at P, draw a circle of radius 4. Okay. So draw a circle with radius 4. Now at Q, draw a circle of radius 3. Okay. Here is Q. So circle radius 3 centimeter. Now the question is, what do you observe? Now they touch externally each other. So write down, they touch externally to each other. Okay. Now draw the line segment XY. Okay, simply same. Draw a line segment, that is x and y, by using scale and pencil of centimeter 8 centimeter. At x, draw the circle of 5 centimeter. Okay, so first draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Now y, draw a circle of 3.8 centimeter. So draw a 3.8 centimeter. Now what do you observe? Now they intersect at 2 points, that is M and N. Understand? This is important questions 4 and 5. Next question, true and false. All the chord of a circle are equal in length? No. All the diameter and all the radius are equal, but all the chord are not equal. So this one is false. If the diameter is 3, then the radius is 6. No. If the diameter is 3, radius is half. Means false. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Yes, true. Semicircle is an arc of the circle. Yes, semicircle is an arc of a circle. The center of the circle lies in the interior of the circle. Yes, true. Now 7 number. Look at the circle carefully and answer the following question. Name the two diameter. Okay, diameter means center they pass karthibo CD and BG. How many chord are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4. Name any 3 radii. OC, OB, OD. OC, OB, OD. Name any 2 arc, that is BAC, BAC, and here is DEG, DE and G. Name one semicircle means pura half, that is BCG, BCG. Is FO a radius? FO, no, because not touch the circle, that's why no. Is CX is a chord? CX, no, not touch the circles, that's why no. Okay, because chord is the touch, but both ends are in the circle. Next, hot question. This is very important questions. I already solved in previous video. Also, I solved in this video. First, write down the circumference. So, write down circumference equal to how much? 22 centimeter. So, tell me radius equal to how much? Now, radius equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now, the question is find the perimeter. So, write down perimeter of quarter equal to first 22 divided by 4 plus 2r, that is 2 into 3.5. How? Now, because we know that total length is 22. Yes or no? Quarter means divided into 4 equal part. So, tell me this part length is 22 divided by 4. Yes or no? Now, perimeter means total length of the boundary. So, this plus 22 by 4 plus this and this. So, this is 3.5. This is also 3.5. So, you can write 2 into 3.5. So, answer is 22 by 4 plus 2 into 3.5. So, here is 5.5 plus 7. So, 12.5 centimeter. Okay. Now, a wire in the shape of square of side is given, bend in the circle. What will the circumference of the circle? So, directly write down circumference of circle equal to perimeter of square, perimeter of square. So, circumference of circle equal to perimeter of the square means 4 into side. Now, put the value, that is 4 into side equal to 4 centimeter equal to 16 centimeter. So, now therefore, circumference of the circle is 16 centimeter. Okay. So, completed. वीडियो যদি पसंद लगे वीडियो को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करिबो. ओके, थैंक यू.